Turns out I guess we just needed some spark, huh?
What you doing there?
Adjusting the needle valve because it's clearly real flooded in there. Well, maybe it's not real flooded. Got to check my check valve in the fuel line too. Well, now we got no spark. There we go. Okay.
What was that?
It fired while it was at bottom dead center because I all right. Wonder if it's okay. Well, I wonder if I got... It's definitely getting way too much fuel in there because that's all wet. But all right, time to check the fuel tank for the check valve on the fuel tank. Oh, and I had it shut all the way off. I guess that did give it a chance to dry out. Maybe we'll spin this with the needle valve open again, because that's helpful. tiniest crack because it sounds so wet.
It looks like a leaking.
What? Yes. And I don't know. That's probably... Alright. Stop and check the check valve in it. Alright. Although, my bet is that that's just the fuel tank heating up in the sun here.
Oh,
Because it's warm out and the tank is full.
yeah. What's the oil there for?
That's the cylinder oil.
Oh. How long does that run before you have to refill it?
It's set pretty high right now, and I need to adjust it, but since I've been turning it on and off, I haven't been paying attention to it right now because I'm trying to get the engine to go.
Yeah. I think it went down half the amount from when I came out.
Probably.
Alright.
In fact, let's just adjust that now and see if it, and remember to watch it later. Now. Alright, the check valve is rattling.
That's good, right?
Yep, it's supposed to do that. That means it's doing its check valve business.
Is that the tank that the engine would have?
No, this is one that Jay built.
Oh.
This would have come with a cheap tin tank, which probably rusted out 50 or 100 years ago, or a week after the engine got sold.
What would they ever use this engine for? Water
I don't
pumps,
know.
something like that?
A water jack. You know, farm engines got sold for anything you could belt them to. I don't know where Jay got this, so I don't know who would have had it and whether they owned a corn sheller or a pump jack or what. You know, because
Yeah.
like I was saying last night when we were talking to Doug, Jay's had this 3 separate times, he said, because he picked it up someplace and then there was some guy who thought it was going to get put together and do something with it, and then it was at Jay's shop because Jay was quote-unquote helping him, and then he got tired of it and sold it back to Jay for a bit, and then the next guy came along and wanted an engine to fiddle around with, and Jay said, I've got just the one, and that fella bought it and proceeded to have Jay help him with it. And then got tired of it, and it was still sitting in Jay's shop, so Jay bought it back from him, and then all there is checking the needle and seeing if it'll go. Like I said, we got spark, so hopefully that means it's still sparking inside. But well, I did when I thought I needed a new check valve, order a new plug. So I guess I'm going to go get that new plug and stick that in here just in case a new plug helps.